There are 9 steps, guys, for developing a Gantt chart. So I will try to give you examples on each step so that the session will be interactive. I don't want to make it dry or burden for you. So I will try to give my personal experience, what I go through, and share with you guys. So it will be fun in learning. So first step for developing a Gantt chart is list the detailed task from your WBS, from your work breakdown structure. So what is the example we have taken? For example, we are making a website or social media page or doing SEO of any project, or we can take example for if you are in Apple or any other company and you are working in designing or production development of any iPhone. Okay, so you can keep in your mind these example, or you are working in any construction site, you are a project manager there, and you are working for a construction uh, business. So you can relate this according to your work, your business. Okay, and you are a project manager. So what would be the list of the detailed tasks from your work breakdown structure? So if I am making a website, so the detailed task in work breakdown structure would be domain registration, hosting registration, uh, web development, and then doing the social media of their company, of that company, and after that, for example, SEO of that website. So in this way we can do it step by step. Okay, and in number 2, organize the task into groups or phases. So I divide the task, I subdivide the task, I assign the tasks to different groups, in different groups and in different phases. In phase 1 we will do this thing, in phase 2 we will do this thing, in phase 3 we will do any other thing. So in this way it would be easier. Okay, so as I have given you the example of construction of any house also. So if you are working for any builder, if you are a project manager of any builder company, so you will organize the task into groups. For example, first of all, the purchasing of that land. Okay, and then approval of that land from council, for example. After that, designing of your house, designing of that project, and then implementation, contacting labor, contacting vendor, and then start building the house and then delivering the house. So these all are the tasks you need to organize and do it step by step. In third step, add important details and documents for task in the notes section, which is very very important, and input key files directly to tasks, so everything is ready for the work to begin. So what does this mean, guys? Adding important details and documents for the task in the note section. Actually, what happened, you cannot ignore even the smallest part in the project. If you are meeting with the stakeholder and they tell you something regarding the project, so you can't ignore it. You need to put it in the note section, you need to put it in the task section, you need to write it in detail that you need to do this, you need to check this, you need to monitor this, and then you can deliver it in a good way. I can give you one example for that. When I am doing social media projects, so it happens usually that customer or client tell us to promote some products and put the special price for some days. Okay, but main thing, very important thing that we can't ignore, that this sale or this deal or this special price is for 5 days or 6 days or 2 days, for example on Easter, for example on Christmas. So this is also very important, so we can't ignore these things. So we should put in notes if we are giving tasks to our social media manager, that you need to design a campaign, you need to run a campaign for this company for this time at at the special price or some special discount. At the same time we tell them the duration of the campaign. Okay, so this is just a small example that I have given you from my personal experience, that you need to mention all the details in the notes and share